We often get asked, what is the difference between apostille and legalization? Different terminologies are often used to describe the document legalization process from one country to another for them to be acceptable. Let me try to explain the difference. In 1961 in The Hague, the Apostille Treaty was signed and approved to abolish document legalization requirements. Countries that have signed the treaty are no longer require document legalization from the embassy of the destination country. Only an apostille is needed. Countries not part of the Hague Apostille Treaty require legalization. Legalization means that it requires an additional legalization step to have the document legalized by the embassy. Here is another explanation. Legalization of a document is issuing an apostille, so that the document can be used in an official capacity in another country. Once a document has the apostille, it has been legalized for use in an overseas country that is a member of the Hague Convention. If the country is not part of the Hague Treaty, the document requires further legalization through the embassy. Or here is another way of explaining what the difference between apostille and legalization is. The differences between these two certificates relate to the countries involved. If the countries involved are part of the Hague Convention Treaty, an apostille can be used. If the countries are not part of this treaty, a legalization will be needed to validate the paperwork. To summarize, the difference between the two terms apostille and legalization is that the term apostille is used when the countries are part of the Hague Treaty, and the term legalization is used when one country is not part of the Hague Treaty.